Radua, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Buki. Welcome Radua, and if you're my returning subscriber, my day one. Radua oyaleboha holo fela. Guys, I look so pretty. And the same shit. Guys, I look so pretty. And because I love you guys, I am here to plug you. I'm sure by now you have saw the title of the video. So I received this gorgeous hair from Yolissa. Yeah, so this is their packaging. The hair came in this bag, and then at the back is their details, their email address, cell phone number, handles like your TikTok and your Instagram handle. Yeah, guys, I love this unit that I have now. It's water wave pre-braided wig. So I didn't braid it, I didn't style it. It came like this, guys. Even edges, the wig came like this. I didn't do much, and look at me, Nina. Guys, I look so pretty. And it's 22 inches. Yeah, the hair is 22 inches HD lace. HD, because show me the lace, I will wait. Show me the lace and I will wait. I'm saying show me the lace. Show me the lace, guys. It's giving, I'm not sure what is it giving, but you will tell me in the comment section, or it's giving what? It's giving Nina. And this hair, it's 13 by 4. So yeah, it's 13 by 4, 22 inches like I said, and I took medium cap size, but you can also go for small medium cap size and also a large medium cap size. It depends on the size of your head. Guys, I am so in love. I am so in love, and everything will be in the description box. Everything will be in the description box, so click there and purchase this gorgeous hair. And as you guys know that the hair must be accompanied by goodies. Yeah, and then we have goodies. Let's check. Let me show you guys what Yolissa sent. So obviously I was sent a melting band. This is a melting band. It's gonna come very handy in this video, so you guys will see. Yeah, so I received this melting band, 2 HD wig caps, 2 HD wig caps, HD. And I also received the magic wig tape. These are the magic wig tapes. So if you don't want to use the spray, the glue spray, you can use these tapes. And then I was also sent lashes, and you guys know that I'm a lash girl. So these are gonna come very handy. And then edge brush. Yeah, the brush for edges, 2 in 1. And in this video finally I'm gonna be using this edge brush. And then lastly we have this. Ooh, I'm not sure if it's a scarf or you wear it when you sleep just to keep your hair intact, but I'm not sure. Or just to show that you are a Yolissa girly. Yeah, maybe it's just to show that you're a Yolissa girly. I'm not sure. Yes, guys, that's all I got from Yolissa hair. Okay, we're ready because I'm gonna talk like in J. I just can't stop talking, but I love this hair. I love the quality is out of this world, and it's different from the wigs that I have. It's very different, and I love it. I love it. And I only applied glue on the sides, just here. Then the rest, as you guys saw, that good glueless. And the curls are also giving. Oof, guys, I love this wig. I'm obsessed. Okay, we're ready. Let's get right into the video, because yeah, let me show you guys how I achieved this gorgeous look. Yeah, yeah. All right, we're ready. So we're ready. First thing first, I'm gonna put on my wig cap and make sure that it covers my head properly. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go in with powder that matches the color of my skin, just to make sure that my wig cap is nice and color. It has color. It's nice and it has color. Yeah. The hair was sent Peru at Water Wave pre-braided wig, so it comes already styled. My babe. Yeah, and the wig cap size that I took, it's a medium, but if you have a smalling and a head, you can go for small, or you can also go for a large wig cap to make sure that it sits properly. And yeah, and it's HD lace, 13 by 4. Yeah, let me open it so that you can see. So this is the hair. It came covered with this net just to protect it. Let me show you guys the hair and the length. Lace way. Where is the lace? So we do this hair. It's pre-cut, as you can see. It's straight from the plastic. I didn't have to cut it, or you don't have to take it to someone to cut it for you. The knots are pre-bleached. That's why it's melting. It's really melting. And the hairline, it's pre-plugged. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved that look that you guys saw there. It was very easy. It was very easy. Since we are done with the wig cap is on. HD wig cap is on. And then now we're gonna continue with the hair. So we're do after putting the hair on. Here I was just checking where I'm gonna cut for it to fit my head proper. And I decided to cut some of the excess lace just to make the hair fit because it's a bit bigger. The lace was a bit bigger. Yeah. Okay, Birdie, let's continue. Here I'm applying the glue spray, but I'm only applying it on the sides. And then we're gonna wait a few seconds for it to dry out. As you can see that it's sticky, that means it's ready. And then I did the same on the other side. And then we're gonna go in with our Yolissa hairband, or should I say melting band, just to make sure that our wig is glued. After a few minutes, I then removed my melting band, and look at that. Sure, we are not even done, but look at that. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna apply the gel to my edges just to lay them and make sure that they are nice and laid. And finally, I am using the edge brush. And then I'm gonna put back the melting band just to make sure that my edges are laid. And while I wait for my edges, I then applied my mousse just to make sure that my curls are nice and wet, since we have water wave. I then went in with the wax stick
It's not really needed here, but I'm just gonna do it anyway, just to give you guys full experience. And to melt the wax stick, we're gonna go in with the hot comb. Then I removed my melting band, and guys, look at that. And just like that, we are done. Please come show me the lace. Come show me the lace, honey.
Okay, ready, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't. What are you waiting for? Thank you guys, and please don't forget to leave our flower. Thank you so much, guys. And most important, this one is important, guys. Purchase your hair. Bye, yo guys. Purchase your hair. All right, guys, bye. See you guys very soon.